Hello everyone, today I will tell you about Celsius promos for new users. Celsius changed their promo system for new users. And in this video you know what happened. Subscribe to my channel and we start. Before the update you could use two promos for the first transfer together. But now you can use only one of them. So you can receive only $50 for your first transfer. Now I will tell you how to use them. First, you need to download the Celsius app. Then, create an account and enter the referral code here. After that, you must verify your account. Without identity verification, you won't be able to use the app. If you choose not to use referral promo, you can go to Profile, click on Promo Codes, enter a promo code and enter this promo. Remember, only one of them will work. They both give you $50, so it does not matter for you which one to use. But if you use my referral promo, I also get $50 when you receive it. I will appreciate it. When you had promo activated and ID verification passed, you can go to transfer and choose any coin. Then you should transfer $400. It should be your first transfer and you must maintain a wallet balance equal to or greater than your balance after completing your transfer of $400 or more. You can choose a stable coin and just wait 30 days. Funds must be transferred within 10 days of activating your promo code. Your funds are not frozen and you can withdraw them, but you will lose your promos. When your transfer is done, you can click on Bitcoin in your wallet and there will be a locked promo. That is it. After 30 days, you can withdraw your funds and $50 BTC promo. There is no fee for withdrawal. If you have any question, write them in the comments and I will answer them. Thank you for watching, support my channel with a like and subscribe. See you in the next videos.